You know, I really need to clean up there, so because they still look untidy. But anyways guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a day in the life. It's actually Saturday and I'm about to record 3 videos, 2 for my channel and 1 for Stacey's channel. But I already did my makeup. I attempted to lay down my edges, so I'm gonna just let you guys see the behind the scenes of me setting up for a sit down video. So I have my tripod here that I got for my birthday. By the way guys, I found some more wallpaper, so when I get some time I'm gonna just put some more over that side, but literally I don't have the time. And if I attempt to do it on my own, because I did this on my own and look at it, I didn't do it properly. So maybe hopefully I can get someone to help me, because look at this side, looks so much better. Yeah, I'm opening the window because even though I have, well, the curtains I should say, even though I have the ring light, I still want some natural light to come in. So it's about 12 midday right now. Yeah, I want some natural light. Maybe I don't even need to turn on my ring light, but I think I'm going to turn it on just to be on the safe side, because I don't want to record the next thing, you know, it's not, it could have been better. Yeah, so I'm going to just set up for the sit down video right now. I need to get my notes. Yeah guys, so I'm going to be posting these videos in the coming weeks, because today is actually my last day of freedom. I'm gonna be working like 7 days a week guys. I'm back to working 7 days a week, so you know the struggles. So I'm trying to get as much I'm trying to get as much recording out of the way as I possibly can, and then I just take my time and edit it whenever I get some free time. It's gonna be a rough couple of months. Anyways, I need to fix my hair. The lighting here is perfect, and I'm using the front part of my camera. Keep still, y'all. It is what it is. So now to style my hair. Ooh. Rasta girl. All right, I don't know what to do with my hair because I really need a new hairdo, but I'm not pulling this out for now. Well, maybe 1 more week or so. You know, I attempted to do baby hair, but my hair said, oh no. I'm all set and I'm about to record my first video, so I'll be back. Okay, so video number 1 has been completed. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna change my top and I'm gonna start video number 2. I got this top from Pickles, the guy Jamaican YouTuber here in Japan, and he has his own merch. I've not worn it just yet, but I did wash it though. Supporting my fellow Jamaicans here doing their thing. If I can get into this will look very small. All right, so the struggles. I have on makeup and my hair is big, so I need to go get something to put over my face so I don't mess up this thing. Yes guys, the struggles. The struggles. I am okay. Done. It says never come to Japan for suffer, which means I didn't come to Japan to struggle, and that's true. I didn't come here to struggle, and I'm not struggling, so of course I had to support him. Anyways guys, if you want to support him, I'm gonna leave the link to purchase his hoodie in the description box below. Anyways, I have to go start recording my second videos because I have, oh, I didn't tell you guys, so today I'm gonna be baking, well, I'm gonna be making banana bread but in a rice cooker. Yes, and also I'm gonna be cooking rice and peas with well, I put jerk seasoning on the chicken, but I'm gonna be doing fricassee chicken. I'll see you back in a sec. I have to get this video out of the way, guys. I finished recording video number 2. I took some thumbnail pictures as well. Yeah. Day in the life of a YouTuber, creating content. I think that should be the name of my video, don't you think? Anyways, I think it's easier for me to take it off than put it on. I forgot that I didn't finish researching for my next video, so I need to do that. And also I need to start baking because time is going, man. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 2 o'clock. So yeah, guys, the struggle is real, you know. I wanted my couch to look really cute and all, but it's filled with lint. Like literally, if I touch it like this, look at this. You see, you can actually see the thing coming out. It's so annoying. So like my clothes, they are filled with lint. I have to be always be cleaning lint from off my clothes. So annoying. So annoying. Yeah, I'm about to record my 3rd and final video for the day, and then of course I have to finish up this vlog. But I need to change again, so I'm gonna put on just this hoodie. Yeah, I guess it's a hoodie type of day. I'm gonna just put it on over this because oh my god, this is filled with lint. The struggles. Yeah, let me put this, I'm gonna put this right here to hide some of this lint because it's annoying, yo. Guys, this vlog is just to show the raw behind the scenes, what goes on in my life as a YouTuber, you know. Gotta keep it real. Yeah, the struggles you don't know. Yeah, to change again. This is the last time I'm changing. It's the last time I'm changing, y'all. What do you think? Let me take this off. Okay. Alright, so I am about to record my 3rd video. Whew, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay. Alright guys, so I am about to attempt to bake, or should I say make, banana bread in a rice cooker. So first I need to try and clear up my area because as you can see I have a tiny kitchen, so I need to rearrange stuff around so that I can get space. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is just remove these stuff because I'm gonna put the oven on top of the microwave. Yeah, fun times. You know, come to think of it, I could have just moved this over there on the table. But anyways, I've already moved everything here. Oh guys, I have plantains. We got these plantains from this website called Plantainous Japan, I think, something of the sort. Yesterday I went to the supermarket and I got some chicken and some other stuff to cook today. And I also went to Daiso, which is a doll store. Trying to find chocolate. Chocolate, where are those? Let's see. Chocolate chip cookies. Perfect. Nuts, where are thou? Are these nuts? I'm gonna get this one and this one, these two. All right, time to check out. Wait, I need an umbrella. It's raining outside. Okay, need a small one. I'm gonna get one of these tiny ass umbrellas. Okay, all right, finished now. Time to check out. Goodbye guys. So for now, oh, let me go look at the cosmetics. Just gonna be a sec. Let's see. Okay, this side. Okay, all right, I don't see anything that I want. Time to check out. Supermarket time. I'm gonna be extremely lazy and I'm gonna just buy one of these so I don't have to do the vegetable by myself. So, oh wait, let me buy the mixed one over here. So perfect. I need tomatoes. Okay, this is the discounted wrap. So these things are being sold for a discounted price. Let me see if there's anything I want. Okay, this doesn't look too bad. % off, my kind of deal. I'm gonna buy this, and I'm also gonna buy this one. This is a lot of meat though. I'm cooking for the week guys, so it's justified. I need egg and then that's it. These are some sauce, I guess. I don't know, I've never tried these before and I don't know what they are, these things over here. Anyways, egg time and then I'm finished. Time to cash. Okay, so apparently I purchased a sun umbrella instead of a regular umbrella. There's a difference. I purchased this thing because it's so tiny and I wanted something that could fit into my handbag. But even look at this. Look at this. Okay, so definitely made a mistake. It's very small, so definitely it's a sun umbrella. They use this a lot here, especially in summer when they're hiding from the sun. Anyways, I need to put this back up because it's raining. Ooh, so green. Into my tunnel. I don't normally cook with measuring stuff, you know, like all of these. So yeah, I decided to go and buy it. So now I think I'll have to start baking more often. The history about this rice cooker. My friend, she gave it to me probably over a year ago, I think. But the thing is, I don't really use rice cooker, so she literally gave me this bag and I put it down there and I haven't used it since. So I've never used a rice cooker. Well, I've never used a rice cooker in my entire life because I usually cook rice on the pot, on the stove. So this needs to be cleaned. That's the first thing. I finally finished cleaning up the rice cooker. That took like a very long time. Like I said, I haven't used it since I've gotten it. I also use Google Translate so that I can know what button to press, even though I still don't know exactly what to use to bake the cake. But anyways, I'm very hungry right now. I only ate breakfast, so I'm gonna make a shake. Since I have banana, I'm gonna just make a banana shake right now. And yeah, and then I'm gonna mix the ingredients for the cake. I'm out of oats. Let's use all of it. I like to put a little salt in my smoothie, you know, just to be on the safe side, because my stomach is weird since moving here. Alright, so let's see. Almond milk. I don't have any ice. I usually add ice to it, but I don't have any. And just like that, I have a little snack. Very good. So I have my dry ingredients here. You know, I actually forgot that I had breadcrumbs in my cupboard. But anyways, I have my recipe here. So I need to measure the stuff out. So let's see. So starting with sugar. So 1 to 2, 1 to a half. Wait, is it 1 to a half or 1.5? Oh, 1.5 cup of sugar. So much? Where's my sugar? This cannot be right. But you know what? I'm gonna follow the measurements. So wait, I'm gonna hold off on the sugar just now. Let me do the flour one. I need space. So it says 2.5 cups of flour. So 2.5. Nice. Let me just clear up here as I go, because as you can see, the space is tiny. Okay, so container, flour in. Alright, next 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, so baking powder, I got this baking powder from Caldi's. Wait, what? Also 1/3 half. Wait, I'm confused. I don't know. I'm seeing 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon. Is it saying, is it 1 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon? I don't know. But I'm gonna use the smaller one to be on the safe side. But they're pretty much saying the same thing. The only difference is this is 15 cc and this is 5 cc. I don't know what cc is. I don't have time to find out. But anyway, it says 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, I think this is 1 teaspoon. And I have just a tiny bit left. So I have to go pull another one. I've come to the conclusion that 1 pack is 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna just use 2 of these. So it says 6 gram. 6 gram is what? I don't even know. This is why I don't bake. Anyways. And next I need 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So this is 1 tablespoon. Another tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of salt. I don't usually cook with a lot of salt. But you know what? I'm gonna just try to follow all the measurements to the T. Mix, mix, mix. Okay. Oh, I need sugar. Okay, I forgot to put the sugar in. 1.5 cup of sugar is right here, and that's like a lot of sugar. Plus, with the bananas, they're already sweet, so this is the only one that I'm gonna put less. I'm gonna just put 1 cup of sugar instead, because like really and truly, I can't afford to have anything sweet right now. Alright, so let's see. Okay, it's a little more than 1 cup, but that's fine. Alright, let me mix. So I'm mixing the dry. Don't know if you guys can see. I'm mixing the dry ingredients together. I'm gonna just double check to ensure that I have everything, all the dry parts. So I put, so sugar is there, flour is there, baking powder is there, baking soda, salt. Yeah. Okay, so 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, where are you going? And 4. So next it says 1 cup of salad oil. So I don't have any salad oil, and I don't use salad oil. I use olive oil. So I'm gonna be adding 1 cup of olive oil. Why do I actually need oil? I'm running out of oil. So 1 cup. Okay, any day now. I'm waiting. Adding the oil to it. I forgot to get cinnamon. This is not a part of the what do you call this, the recipe, but of course as Jamaican we like to add vanilla to stuff. I'm gonna just add about 5 drops. 4, 5, maybe more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, all right, I think it's done. Guys, it's just a little, it's not a lot. Okay, mix, mix, mix. Cool, isn't it? So now I'm gonna add the dry ingredients. Add a little at a time. Cool. Just add the rest, the remaining. I guess I need to crush these. How do I crush these? Look at this. I don't think I have anything that I can use to crush it. It says 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I'm gonna just use half of a lemon. Yep. Okay. This makes it so much better to crush. The final thing that I'm gonna be adding is, well, final two stuff. Nuts. I'm wondering if I should crush them. Should I or should I not? I'm not gonna crush. Should I? I don't even have anything to crush them with. I'm gonna just add it. I'm adding some. Wait, these are salted peanuts. I need to wash off the salt from them. I just bought some peanuts from the dollar store, so I didn't even look that it was salted, but it's fine, you know. So these are chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna just add about 5 of them, but I'm gonna crush them. That's 1, 3. I'm gonna add 6. 4, 5, 6. It's supposed to be half cup. Let me mix. I'm excited and it hasn't even started baking yet. I bought these little cute cups from the dollar store. I'm gonna be using them as well. I'm gonna be doing a few. They were so cute, so I was like, let me just buy them so I can experiment, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do. No, stop being messy. I'm gonna actually be baking these. Yeah, get one with some chocolate in it. And I'm gonna add butter to grease it. Excellent. Alright, so now I'm gonna add I'm not done yet, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crush some chocolate chip and add to the top. Okay. Okay, so it's in the rice cooker. I'm gonna close it. Let me get my paper. Okay, all right, let's see. Excuse my writing. So high speed cook rice. This says keep warm off, and this says cooking rice. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna keep it. Wait, let me. Okay, all right, I'm gonna leave it like this and just let it stay, and then I'm gonna check on it in about 15 minutes, because guys, like I said, I've never used this before. My friend who gave me this recipe and who told me about cooking in the rice cooker, I'm not getting through, so and time is going, so I don't have time to waste. I have to get the ball rolling. So I can hear stuff going on in the rice cooker. So now I'm gonna just clean up the kitchen because I gotta cook my dinner. Like I said, tomorrow I'll be working, so I don't have any time. Tomorrow is Sunday. I don't have any time to come home and cook any dinner. Should I cook tomorrow? Should I cook? No. I finish working at 5:55 tomorrow, so I want to just get as much out of the way as I possibly can, because your girl gonna be tired tomorrow. What I need to know is, can I leave the right here? Excuse the messiness, you guys know what I was doing. Can I use the toaster oven while it's on the microwave? Is that safe? Because honestly, I don't know. So right now what I have to do is just, I'm gonna remove it, put it on the floor, and then I'm gonna bake those cupcakes, because I don't have any space because the rice cooker is there. So I gotta do what I gotta do. Let me put this lemon in the fridge. I don't have a muffin tin, so I'm just gonna put these in the oven and see what happens. Yeah. This cupcake thing didn't go so well. But look on the bright side, it actually tastes good. And let me check on this thing. Okay. I don't know what this is for, but yeah, I'm leaving that. So I am burning sugar so that I can make browning. Okay? So that my chicken can look brown. I seasoned up the chicken from yesterday. By the way, the noise that you're hearing is my fan because since I'm cooking, I don't want any smoke or steam, and next thing you know, my fire alarm goes off. So I ain't gonna do that. I use jerk sauce, a blend jerk sauce. I had to put it in the freezer because I don't trust the supermarket meat. It still has a little ice on it, which is fine. I'm gonna just add these to the oil. I'm making fricassee chicken. There I go for now. This came earlier today. Can you guys guess what's inside of it? Are you ready? Alright. So it's actually rice. So I ordered rice from Amazon because I don't fancy the Japanese rice. So I usually buy rice from Thailand. Wait, when does this expire? Is this the expiry date? Could never be. Meat over here, a fryer pan there too. It's still baking. I'm gonna give it, I don't even know if I pressed the correct button, but this is taking a long time. I've added the homemade browning to it, and I'm gonna just leave it to simmer and cook. I put a fork in the middle just to check if it's ready, but it's not. Now look at this. But there you go. So I should have turned it off like 5 minutes before, but I got distracted because I was editing, so now it's a little burnt, but of course I'm gonna be eating it. I need this pot to cook my rice because I'm gonna cook some rice and peas right now, and I need this pot for it. Well, because I've already started using it, I might as well just continue. So I'm gonna cook my rice and peas in it, so I need to remove this thing from it. But first, you know, I gotta take pictures and stuff. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Okay, great. So now I need to turn it on this side. I want it to be in this plate. If I didn't, well, there's a huge hole in it because I put a fork in it while it was cooking. Well, yeah, so it's my fault. I totally forgot that I wanted to put corn in the meat, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in it right now. When I'm using corn, I usually like to add some warm water to it, but like today I can't bother. Anyway, so I have my red peas and I have my coconut milk. Oh shoot, this is the coconut milk that I have to cut by myself. All right, so let's see, maybe 2 cups of rice. I don't know, I don't normally measure my rice, but because it's being cooked, it's gonna be cooked in this thing. I want it to be, you know, all right, I don't think I need more than this. Alright, I'm adding my peas to the rice. Next, I'm gonna add coconut milk. I'm not gonna add everything because I just feel like it's way too much. I'm gonna just put the rest in a cup for another day. Alright. I'm gonna add some salt to it. Alright. Okay. On. Okay. Alright, cool. Definitely gonna be making this again. I don't like how the rice turned out. I don't like it. Not at all. Finished finally. So I have my veggies here. I have my lunch for the week or until Wednesday, Thursday, and I have my snack, which is the banana bread. I'm gonna get some more vegetables, but for now these will do. I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. I gotta go take a shower and just relax for the rest of the night. It's about 9 p.m. now, and yeah, it's very late, so I need to just relax and yeah, prepare for work tomorrow. Yes, work on a Sunday. But anyways, thank you again guys so much for watching the entire vlog. Really appreciate this. Really appreciate you for taking the time out and watch everything. And yeah, leave me a blue heart down in the comment section below. I appreciate you guys. Anyways, bye.